Got a bit more trailer load coming out here. The Tewkesbury ham here, where hay's been cut, turned several times no doubt, baled, then put onto a trailer. You can see they're quite large trailers there as well. The Tewkesbury ham here, site of special scientific interest. There's a second trailer going out now as I speak. Another one being loaded there. See 3 trailers. Be loaded up mechanically as well, rather than by 2 or 3 men. So it's easier one of those JCBs. You can see loading the trailer up there. I believe there's a few Bulgarian farmhands there as well. Not sure if they're going to finish tonight. I think they think they will do, but certainly I think the farm manager's not so sure. They are loading the trailer up there, and this one's about to leave this one here behind, I should say. There's one just gone about a minute ago. In the last minute or so. Lovely bright summer's evening here in Tewkesbury. Looks like he's going to stay there for a while. We'll wait for the other one. Back to the farm. Tewkesbury ham. You can see all this section to be complete. We've got still baling to be done down the bottom there. The other side of the ham. Never know, might try and get a few more on those trailers there. Get as many on as possible to save further trips later on.